And finally, when you think you're finished, you're going to hit this button up here that says Finish. Oops. It won't let you finish until you have something there. So I'll hit Finish. And you're going to want to name it. So I'm just going to name this Practice, because this is just my practice one. But you're going to put your name. And then it's going to give you a couple of choices. It's going to ask you, where do you want to send the destination? I'd like you to hit YouTube. And then you're going to sign in to the Global in My Shoes YouTube. And I gave you the account, which is, the password is Around the World. But let's say you forgot to do that, or you just don't. You can just hit Finish, and it's going to send you the link right to your Gmail address, and then you can send me that link that the Gmail sends you. So that's another way you can do it. Looking forward to seeing them all.